Hi children, in the previous video we discussed up to 4 questions no ma. So in this video we are going to discuss the questions from continuation. Okay, from that worksheet 3A. So let us say that what is the fifth question here, what they given? The weight of a man. The weight of a man on Earth's surface is directly proportional to weight of a man on moon. Okay, what is the question here? The weight of a man on Earth's surface is directly proportional to weight of a man on moon, where the constant of proportionality is 6. The constant of proportionality is 6. If a man weighs 180 kgs on Earth, then his weight on moon. Understand? Just to say that weight on Earth and weight on moon. Clear ma? What they given here? If that weight on Earth, that is directly proportional to weight on moon. That is directly proportional to weight on moon. So what they given here? It's a constant they given. So E is directly proportional to M. Then here it's a constant E by M. Its ratio is a constant now here. If any two quantities, if any two same kind of quantities are in the ratio direct proportion, then we can say that its ratio is a constant. So here also they given that E by M is equals to that constant value K is equal to here 6, which means E by M is equals to here a constant value they given as 6. And one more thing they given that weight on Earth, that is 180 kgs. Weight on Earth is 180 kgs. Then how many kgs he is there? And his weight on moon we need to find out. So let it be some M only, which is equals to 6. From this one, weight on M is equals to 180 by 6. 6 ones and 6 threes are 18, so 30. So if the person's weight is 180 kgs on Earth, then his weight on moon is 30 kgs. Understand ma? So that's what they given in the question. So what is the answer here? M is equals to 30 kgs. Understand that? So read that question properly. The weight of a man on the Earth's surface is directly proportional to the weight of the man on moon. On the surface of a moon, those two are directly proportional. Directly proportional means its ratio should be constant. So that constant value they given here, the constant value is 6. So that's why E by M is equal to 6. And in the same way they given that the weight of a person on Earth they given that is 180 kgs whole by M. M we need to find out now. The person's weight on moon we need to find out. So its constant is 6. M is equal to 180 by 6, which is equals to 30 kgs. Understand ma? Yes. So let us see that next one. Sixth question, what is that? The amount of energy produced in human body, the amount of energy produced in human body is directly proportional to the amount of fats burnt. Fats burnt means the calories, but if it is losing that calories, understand? If burning of 24 grams of fat, energy produced 144 calories. Energy produced 144 calories. Then the amount of fats consumed to release 252 calories. Understand? So here fats they given, and in the same way calories also given. Okay, energy calories they given. If that fats here, burning fats 24 grams, then here energy produced how many calories ma? 144 calories. Understand? And in the same way the amount of fats consumed to release 252 calories. So here how many grams of fats we need to find out. Understand? So here just write that the relation. Just we have to take the relation of the ratio of 24 and x, right? So children see here 24 grams and here this x value we need to find out. So here we have to take the ratio of 24 is to x as is to here 144 and 252. So 144 is to 252. Okay ma. So from this one we need to find that x value. Okay, so just take that the product of extremes is equal to product of means. X into 144, which is equals to 24 into 252. Okay, from this one, x is equals to 24 into 252 by 144. Okay, so cancellations by 12. 12 12s 144 and here 12 2s 24. Clear ma? And here say that 12 1s 12, 12 2s 24 and still 12 is there, so 12 1s 12. Clear? From this one, x is equals to 2 into, here 21 is there. So 2 into 21 means 42 grams. Okay, 42 grams. That is the correct answer. So which option is correct here? Option C is correct. Okay, once again say that question here. The amount of energy produced in human body is directly proportional to the amount of fats burnt. Okay, if the burning fat that is in 24 grams, then it gives that energy 144 calories of energy it produces. If it produces 252 calories of energy, then how many grams of fats should be burnt here? Okay, that is the question. So here x we need to find out. That's why x is equals to here 42 grams. Okay ma, so which option is correct here? Option C is correct. Am I clear children? Yes. So let us see that question number 7. What is the question number 7 here? See that the pressure P exerted at any point on the base of a tank filled with liquid. One of the tank is there, that is filled with some liquid, and here they given that pressure that is exerted, that pressure exerted is P, and here liquid varies directly as the depth D, of the liquid. Okay, the pressure exerted by the liquid, 40 centimeters deep on the base of a tank is, actually this is related to physics question. Okay, you have an idea about this one, right? So just how to apply that mathematical condition to physics question. Okay, so that's what they given. Of a tank is 80 grams per square centimeters. Okay, if the 25 centimeters, then the pressure exerted is, what they given here? See that 40 centimeters deep. So that length they given 40 centimeters, and in the same way here 80 grams per square centimeters. That is the tank base of the tank they given, and here if 25 centimeters is there, then here how much pressure exerted, this one we need to find out. So this is some x. Okay, again write that relation. What is the relation? 40 is to 25, 40 is to 25 as is to 80 is to x. 80 is to x. So here 40 is to x is equal to 20 into 80. Okay, so first 40 into x is equals to 25 into 80. From this one, x is equals to 25 into 80 by 40. 41s or 42s. So x is equals to 50. Okay, so x is equal to 50 gram per square centimeters. Gram per square centimeters. So that option is there ma? Yes, option D is correct. Okay, that is 50 gram per centimeter square. Clear? Yes. So children see here, 8th one. Next question, see, the distance D that on object will fall freely from rest varies directly as the square of times. Read the question properly here. The distance that on object, will fall freely from rest varies directly proportional. Okay, as the square of times. An object fall 128 meters distance and here time. Okay, they given the relation between here distance and time they given. If it covers 128 meters, then it takes time. If it falls 16 seconds, in 4 seconds, no? So 4 square. Why? Because the square of the times they given. If it falls in 16 seconds, then the height through where it falls. Square of the times they given, no? Okay, and here x meters. and here this is x meters. So the relation is 128 is to x as is to 4 square is to 16 square. 4 square is to 16 square. So here 128 into 16 square, we can write this one as a 16 into 16, okay, which is equals to x into 4 square is 4 into 4. 4 into 4. From this one, x is equal to 128 into 16 into 16 whole by 4 into 4. Okay, 4 4s are 16, so cancels here 116. Okay, next x is equals to 128 into 16. Okay, that's what we need to find out, Numa. So just see here, x is to, or else if you want to simplify this one, 4 into 4 is 16, also we can write that 16 gets cancelled. Okay, after that 128 into 16. Okay, see children here, 128 into 16. So 16 into 8 is equals to 128. 16 into 8 is equal to 128. Next 16 to 32. 32 plus 12. 32 plus 12 is 44. So 4 and here 4. And come to this one here, 16 1 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 2048 meters. 2048 meters. So which option is correct ma here? Option A is correct, that is 2048 meters. Understand ma? So in this video we discussed up to 8 questions. So in that next video we will discuss that and next leftover 4 questions. Okay, thank you all.